6th of October. Just came up from my meal break. We had a wildfire black this passed by the house. Okay. Right. This thing is still there. Beaming in our heads. This is an attack every night. Okay. And the best part is we get aviation. Flying. They say they fly above my house. Okay. Where they spray the nano dust. It's spraying just right above my head. I just had a back me all gang stalkers. Okay. Shot my back the whole day. They are working on my back, my head. Okay. PDRM, do something. All these videos gonna go viral soon.